Now this, just for you know, before you get your comments going, we're gonna go slower if we put this stuff into this motor. But my wife told me she wanted a motor that goes chugga. So I went out and purchased her a camshaft that goes chugga. I won't be near as throttle responsive. My big heads then will be a factor that I have to be up there 3,000 RPM and running to 7,500 RPM. And I'm rolling down the road with some 410 gear in there, and these rear tires I bought to put on a car, I hate them. And I'm going to drop to a smaller tire, a 50 series, and go a little bit wider. But I don't like how high it is. It is too tall. You got to go. So we're going to rerun in probably like a gear ratio of about 420. But let's get back to the chugga. We're going to go chugga, but we ain't going to go faster. We're going to go slower. Alrighty. Now we got past all that diabetes problem. Brother-in-law all the way to 160 pounds. He got diabetes too. But anyway, we're going with this. Little button job thing here. I don't know if I'll use it, but sprocket has multi-locations where we can degree it in. I honestly, what I do remember of playing around with nutty shit like this, definitely gonna have to take a refresher course. But I'm not sure I'm gonna degree it. I don't know if the extra power is worth it. I'm pretty sure we're gonna run these babies here. But I'm not 100% sure. 7.8. Okay, 3809. 11110. Whatever. Anyhow, that's the push rods. I think knowing two different things I'm going to use. I think I'm going to go after a set of Crane Gold roller rockers, 1.5 ratio. I'm not sure about that because you got to check out all your angles and lift and all types of stupid shit. But it's got to be done or you'll end up with your rocker arms breaking off, push rods bending, God knows what else. Wear out your valves. But we're going to go with this. Roller cam. The brand it says on the box. And I know, without the shadow of a doubt, that this might be a little bit much for my little 396 girl motor to swallow. You're gonna have to see if you can get a picture of that. Get closer, you can see all the numbers.
Voodoo, it says.
Yeah, it's a Voodoo cam. You see the number? Got it? Okay. Stamped on their 110 center line. You'll have a little trouble probably with vacuum accessories. But wife wants to go chugga 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 chugga. So we're going to go chugga chugga chugga. Whether or not we go chugga chugga in my boat, or we go into a full 540 cubic inch big block Chevy, or whatever I can get with a stroker kit and a truck engine 454. Which I'm not all up on that because I've never built such a motor. That's the initial plan anyway, unless it changes. we put something else in it, which I don't know, but this is what we're thinking. But I'm sure I can spin the tires forever, even if they're slicks. That I'm sure of. Probably I'd drive myself off the road.